Welcome to Value Reality Adhira Garden, a premium gated community spread across 3.5 acres, designed for modern living. This landmark layout features 82 beautiful plots, giving families the perfect foundation to build their dream homes. Located at Tambaram CTO Colony, Adhira Gardens combines prime connectivity with a serene living environment with a wide blacktop roads, bright street lights and a secure gated entrance. Every detail is built for comfort, safety and style. This entire space is hopefully planned, offering you not just a plot of land but a lifestyle filled with convenience and long-term value. Strategically located, Adhira Gardens connects you to the city while surrounding you with greenery, peace and community living. Every sunrise feels like a new beginning. With 3.5 acres of prime land and 82 premium plots, your journey begins here. Adhira Gardens, where dreams find their home. Value Reality, creating real value in property.